Do I need to say All Stars 3 is gonna be? Okay. Baby, All Stars 3 is gonna be a hoot. Do people still say hoot? What's good, y'all? Yes, that's right. It's me. I'm back. Your Southern Bayou princess, Miss Chi Chi DeVayne. Everybody knows me for my famous lip syncs, and I'm telling you, and a few more on top of that. But yeah, I'm a performing queen. I love to get on stage and burn it up. I have to be obedient to my fans and come on back and give them everything that they want.
Take that, Donald Trump.
Oh my God, Chi Chi has evolved so much. I'm more cultured. I've been out, I've seen things. I've seen other sides of life, you know what I mean? Being out and about and abroad and all that. I'm a very polished queen now. I'm wearing nails and jewelry and lace front wigs, as you can see. Yes, I've stepped it up in every category. No more trash bags. No more trash bags in my future. The secret to doing well in Drag Race is to not get in your own head and not get in your own way. And just to be authentic and original to who you are. You have to be confident and you have to be ready to just compete and show all you got. So yeah, I got confidence this time around. I love being under pressure. That's where I work best. So being under the pressure of being a rude girl, it's something that I've always wanted. I've always wanted attention and yeah, I got it. I'm here to play. I belong in the Drag Race Hall of Fame simply because I'm Chi Chi. And everybody knows when I get on stage, it's magical. And I think we need to keep that in drag. We need to keep the performance aspect in drag. It's not about just being pretty, it's about entertaining the crowd also.
Hey, squirrel friend. When one video ends, just open up another one. It's called binge viewing. Go ahead. I support you.